Hey guys, this is Mani Chopra here on my Henley site. This is where we've got the PD for 3 flats, one on the ground floor, 2 uppers. I just want to quickly show you the progress we've made in the last few weeks. So this here effectively is on the side street. It's called Friday Street. It's quite a prestigious upmarket street, and this is where the entrance for the 3 flats is going to be. As you come in, the main works done so far here is the staircase. If you remember from my previous videos and photos, this is, you can see, the original brick line of the original staircase going all the way up here and then that way around. And this corridor was pretty much all a corridor effectively. But what we've done, if you come in closer, we've actually, this space here is now being taken in by the commercial unit. And this is going to be the door in from the side of the commercial unit, not the main frontage. The frontage is on the main road. This is the side, the second exit, and there's a doorway from here. This is going to be the doorway going straight out from here. And this is this whole space that we've created extra for the commercial unit. And the main huge difference here is this staircase. This staircase was, as I showed you, the brick line is now far forward. And there's going to be, the ground levels are going to go up a bit. So let me quickly show you what we've done upstairs. This is all brand new staircase, and this here, the reason why we had to do this particular restructuring of this whole staircase and everything was this extra space that we've created. It's about 4 to 5 square meter room that we've created for flat 2, which was coming in under the 37 square meter space standards requirement for a 1-bedroom flat. So this is the extra space which I'll show you in a bit, but let's quickly show you what the rest of the progress looks like. It's a bit unsafe to go into that room there, so I'm just going to show you this flat here. This is the largest of the 3 flats, the 2-bedroom flat. This is going to be the entrance. And here, we've created this new opening here with the lintels and everything. And this is going to be a large double bedroom space here effectively. This is all brand new partition walls that we've created. As you can see, the room is really, really light, and the huge big windows give it a very, very good effect with lots of light coming in. This here is going to be the communal bathroom. So this is going to be a 2-bed, 2-bath flat. This is going to be a large communal bathroom space for the flat. And this here is going to be a 2-bedroom, the ensuite bedroom. So if you can come in here and see, we've created the partitioning and the walls for the ensuite. There's going to be a shower unit in there. And this here, this chimney we're going to take off because we need to obviously get this quite a lot of space that we can recreate by actually taking this whole thing off. So that's going to be gone in a few weeks. Here we're going to house the water tank. There's going to be no heating, no gas central heating, but just electric heating in the house. And this, we retained 90% of the room, so it's still going to be a large kitchen, open room, dining, living room, and here is going to be the kitchen space here. So you can see beautiful large bay windows, yeah, so let's quickly show you downstairs as well. There's a bit of work done downstairs on the ground floor. So let me show you that as well. Just to quickly tell you as well, this particular structuring of the staircase took a lot of work with the staircase specialist to cave in and try and get this perfectly right, and in with the building regulations and all of that. So just quickly here, if you can see, some of the dividing walls have been now taken out, and now it's become a big massive open plan 1-bedroom flat. However, there's going to be the partition walls added in again to create a bedroom here, and then an open plan kitchen area over there. And here, this is the we've just initially started digging out the first fix for the drainage, just for the sewer connection. So this is the waste connection, which we've just started doing for the downstairs toilet. The commercial, this is going to be the toilet for the actual residential flat, and it'll back onto a disabled toilet for the commercial space over there. So this is what they've just started doing, but they've literally opened up this whole space so we can plan the space a bit better. Hope you guys got a good overview of the progress we've made so far, and I'm going to be doing weekly progress videos now going forward. Thank you.